How to add removed friends back on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. On top of the screen, click on the plus sign icon. Now on the quick add, if someone still follows you, even if you guys are not friends anymore, their username will appear here. So you can just add them from that quick add. But if they're not on the quick add, you can just use the search bar to type in their username, and from there you can just add them again. Another way you can try, especially if you have their phone number, is to click on this all contacts. Now, this will show you the people on your contacts who have Snapchat, and from there, you can just add them back. So, that is how to add removed friends back on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.